Hi, I'm Melissa Landis, and I am an environmental specialist with Lincoln Electric System. I'm here at Sustainable Living Week because every one of us makes an impact on the planet every day. In order to tilt your impact on the planet in a more positive direction, we're going to make some pollinator seed balls today that you can drop in your garden or empty lot or just a sunny patch in your yard. Pollinator plants are important because it's no secret that we've had pollinators declining for the last several decades, and 1 out of every 3 bites of food originates from a pollinator plant. So, in order to create habitat and support pollinator populations is what we're all about this morning. We're going to start with some clay-rich soil. In Lancaster County, we already have clay-rich soil, so pretty much that will already serve its purpose. But if you don't live in Lancaster County or an area that doesn't have clay, you can purchase it from a garden store. It works the best as far as our intended purpose today. Also, we need some water, we need some compost, pollinator seed, and a hand washing station for the end. Let's get started. Okay. So you need your clay-rich soil, and you add a little bit of compost and some pollinator seeds. And water. The compost actually then creates some nutrients once watered, and in the garden, those nutrients help the seed to thrive and germinate. You take those 4 ingredients and you mix them at a proportion so that you get basically the consistency of melty ice cream. Once you have that particular level, you take a small bit out and then you roll it, kind of like cookie dough, into a ball. I have the opportunity to work on pollinator issues through my job. And I have always found that to be an incredibly lucky position. But when you think about the infrastructure that we have throughout our service territory, LES is part of every landscape. We cross woodlands and wetlands and waterways. We have endangered species habitat. We have migratory birds. And each one of those environmental nuances has some special consideration that it's my job to protect. Once you have the ball in place, you put it on a surface that you can leave it for about 24 hours to dry. Myself, I take a little extra and put in each seed ball to make sure that each one has something that will come up next spring. Once you're done, don't forget to wash your hands. So, you're going to drop the pollinator seeds into a sunny portion of your yard or garden. Bare ground conditions are the best, and then you water that area come next spring. The pollinator plants will come up and be a benefit to the pollinators as well as beautiful. Pollinator gardens, no matter their size, make the world a better place. Thanks.